Today we're taking a quick look at the MultiCam MT Pro Series CNC router. This is a 5x10 moving table machine. Purchased new in 2001, this was MultiCam's fastest machining center and heaviest machining center at just over 10,000 pounds with speeds capable of 3,000 inches per minute. Comes standard with 3 sets of pop-up pins for easy material location. You'll see the 8-position rotary tool changer there. The 15 horsepower spindle. There's a look at the blast gate for your dust collection. You have a pneumatic switch, you can actually turn that on and off. We have 40mm ball screws on the X and Y axis. This machine is going to come with the updated handheld keypad. MultiCam is known to have one of the most user-friendly interfaces on the market. And this is the new keypad with the LED backlight, the aluminum case. So there's some nice features over the original keypad. Here we have a air conditioning system for the electronics of the machine. So that's kind of a unique feature. This machine is actually designed for continuous duty, high throughput. So all the electronics are in a sealed unit. It's going to keep the dust out. That's going to keep the electronics cool with that air conditioning system. You may see some of the wood bracing around the machine. We're already preparing this for shipment. Here's a couple of things. The user's manual will also include a PDF electronic manual, over 300 pages that you can search and easily find things. Leveling feed, there's those pneumatic switches for the pop-up pins and the blast gate for the dust collection. You're going to get the dust collection hood to mount to the front of the machine as well. And again, you can see some of that wood bracing we've already begun putting up on the machine. The machine's going to be fully protected when it's shipped. Also comes, of course, with the vacuum pump. This is a 20 horsepower MultiCam positive displacement pump. One thing to note, the pump is set up at 440, 460 volt, 3-phase power. So that's something to consider when looking at this machine. The actual machine can also run at 440, but we can actually set that machine up to run at whatever voltage that matches your facility, as long as it's 3-phase power. Again, a look at those massive ball screws there with the covers on it, and those linear guideways. Take a quick look inside the control cabinet in a minute here, just giving you an idea of how massive this machine is, how big it is. Again, designed for heavy-duty use. This particular machine was used to make doors out of medium-density fiberboard, or MDF. Here's a look at the inside of the control cabinet. There's your inverter for your spindle, that large box in the middle. Of course, all servo drives and all the motors on this machine. So there's your servo drives right there in the cabinet. This machine was maintained very well. Always used MultiCam factory trained technicians. And then the factory where this machine was used actually had a full-time maintenance personnel. So they always took very good care of the machine. If you have any questions, you can send us an email. Again, this has been the MultiCam MT Pro 5x10 moving table machine. Thank you.